Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this week I'm doing a set consisting of these three items that I received from bornprettystore.com. So it's a bit of a review video here. So I start off, I just I'm creating my nail, I'm sculpting it using these Miss You Beauty nail forms, just applying some primer to my nail here, and the liquid and powder that I'm using is also from Miss You Beauty. So I'm just sculpting out a set of stiletto nails in order to show you what these items look like on my nails. So the items that I received from Born Pretty were a chameleon magnet gel polish, and a chameleon mermaid nail polish, and also some cuticle oil, which actually I did forget to use in the video, but I will be posting pictures of these on Instagram at some point during this week, guys. I haven't done a video last week, or I didn't do a video last week as it's been a bit mad over here, and we've had a bit of a bad week, so hopefully we will be on track this week and I will get back to my usual routine. So thank you so much for bearing with me, guys. I really do appreciate all of your support and all of your love. So like I said, just create the nail here. The brush that I'm using is also from Miss You Beauty. It's my acrylic brush. So I just apply this acrylic liquid and powder to all of my nails, and one of my nails is different. I do apply a glitter to that nail, so I like to mix things up a little bit. So on my ring finger I use a beautiful glitter that I received from the Nail Candy shop, and this one is called Sapphire Waves. I did a review for her a few weeks ago with some new glitters that she sent me, and I was absolutely amazed with them, so I felt like I really wanted to use this again, and I kind of like the thought of mixing things up a bit, just add a little bit of glitter in there. I like things to be different. Also, just to let you know, guys, any items that I use in this video will be linked below for you to check them out, along with discount codes that can be applied. So with my clear acrylic liquid and powder, I just encapsulate that glitter there. I don't know if you can see as well, guys, but my nails are still yellow. It is growing out very slowly, but I am getting there. So please excuse the colour of my natural nails. As I have mentioned before, I used a extremely well pigmented colour powder a few weeks ago and it has stained them, so my own fault. I should have learnt from that. I should have really put a thin layer of clear acrylic liquid and powder on my natural nail before I placed down the colour powder, but I didn't, so you learn and live. No, you live and learn. So with the Chameleon Mermaid nail polish, I just apply this to my thumbnail and my little finger. It's, as you can see, it's got little bits of glitter in there. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I do think if you apply it over different coloured nail polishes, it creates a different effect, so it's really, really pretty. And then in order to use the magnetic gel polish, I had to place a layer or a coat of black gel polish to my nails first in order for it to really show up. So I do apply 2 coats of the black gel polish to my nails, curing each coat in between. And I also apply 2 coats of the mermaid nail polish to my nails as well. Actually, I think the black gel polish that I use here is not as pigmented as what I wanted, so I think I did go in with a 3rd coat, so I just don't film that. So I'm just applying my 2nd coat of this nail polish here. It's absolutely gorgeous and I love the effects of it. It's so shimmery and beautiful. And you can actually get it in 4 colours, so don't forget to check that out, guys. So then here is the magnetic gel polish. And the one that I've got here is Greenland Night. It's absolutely gorgeous, and you can get that in 6 different colours. So before I cure it, I just place my magnet over it, and as you can see, this is how it comes out. So again, just place 1 coat of this over the black gel polish, and before curing it, I just place my magnet over the top. Don't touch the nail with the magnet, obviously, just hover it over the top of the nail, and it comes out with this beautiful wavy effect. I really like it. Gorgeous. So then I cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, and here I am applying top coat to these nails, which I cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, and then I do apply a normal nail polish top coat over my other 2 nails. I just forgot to film that, so I do apologise for that. So yeah, here is the final result, which I'm really excited about. I really like these. Hope you enjoyed my little video today, guys. Thank you so much for watching and for your continued support. I do really, really appreciate it. So I shall see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.